Welcome guys to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can extend your display just in case you have more than one screen and you need to have them display different outputs. So stick around up to the end to see how to do it. We're going to come back to our desktop and then on the taskbar where it says type here to search, we're going to type settings. And then we're going to move our mouse over where it says open. Okay, so once this page is open, you're gonna see different settings. In this case, we only want the display settings. So display setting is under system. We'll go ahead and click on that one. And then you're gonna say display, rearrange your display. So at the moment, it's only showing that the output is displaying in two screens, but it's duplicate. It's mirroring the other screen. So I have two screens. I have my laptop and I have an external monitor. So for me to have them shown as different monitors, I'm gonna scroll down here. So in this case, we wanna extend the display. So you'll come down here where it says multiple display. Right now it's saying duplicate this display. That's the setting right now, and that's the reason why we have two screens displaying the same thing. So I'm gonna click on the down arrow. We're gonna select extend this display. Okay, and then it's gonna ask you if you want to keep the changes. Go ahead and click on keep changes. Alright, so right now you can be able to see screen number 1 and screen number 2. So you can try and click on identify just to be sure which screen is which. So once I click identify, it shows that my number 1 is the laptop and number 2 is my external monitor. So that's how you display, that's how you extend display. So the other thing that you can always go ahead and do is to make sure that you can be able to move your mouse across the two monitors. In my case, I can be able to move my mouse to the next screen, and I can be able to move my mouse to the next screen. And I'm gonna show you a way that you're gonna rearrange this screen for you to be able to move the mouse to the other screen. So I'll go ahead again and click on identify just to verify. So my external monitor is the number 2. So we are moving from my external monitor to my laptop. So I'm gonna click on number 1. I'm gonna hold and drag it and bring it to the other side. Okay. And then I'm gonna apply the changes. Okay. And in this case, I'm able to move my mouse from one screen to the other one. Okay, back and forth, back and forth. Another thing that you might want to do is to decide between the two screens which one you're gonna make your main display. In this case, I want my external monitor because it's a bigger screen. I want it to be my main monitor. So I'll go ahead and click identify again just to make sure I'm selecting the correct monitor or the correct screen. I'm gonna click on identify. So number 2 is my external monitor. So in this case, number 1 is selected, and when you scroll down to number 1, there's no settings there. If you click number 2, it's saying that make this my display. So by default, my number 2 has been selected as the main display, but in case you wanna make number 1 to be a main display, you're gonna click on number 1, scroll down, and then you're gonna check on this box, and then it's gonna make, so in this case it has made my laptop to be my main display. Okay, so but since I want my number 2, my external monitor, to be my main display, I'll go back there and check this one and return it to be my main display. All right, and that's all. You can try to identify again. There you go. So my number 2 is my main display and my number 1 is my external display. Okay guys, I hope you've learned something from this tutorial. In case you need to see more of such content, please comment down below, and remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.